The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market slump in May 2022. The ALGO token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost forcefully tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some solidification, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 15 cents. According to our Algorand cost forecast, the coin will carve out opportunity to recuperate from this ruin before it can turn productive. Vantage ALGO. The immense potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the check of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the least expenses. Algorand's brilliant agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be sure that the program ran without blunder and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, conclusiveness, security, and cost adequacy. Algorand can consequently implement custom principles and rationale, from just characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. Algorand are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and Python, a Python language restricting. ALGO coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary forms, and DeFi. Algorand reinforced gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will more often than not send and get installments in their ideal cash by means of Algorand-savvy contracts as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Algorand, displaying the future. The strength of Algorand lies in its component, and it is an open-source blockchain network, meaning the ALGO token's record is freely accessible. Sparkle Money will before long coordinate the Algorand DeFi environment with Solana according to their declaration to give improved interoperability in the blockchain. This will ensure that merchants that are utilizing Sparkle can share their advanced tokens to Layer 1 blockchain from Algorand. Why is Algorand known as the Ethereum executioner? Ethereum will relocate from POW to POS, while Algorand utilizes the unadulterated verification of stake instrument. This implies Algorand overwhelms concerning adaptability, and these variables will without a doubt help the Algorand cost rise. In any case, dealers ought to allude to Ethereum cost expectation and Algorand figures prior to going into any cryptographic forms of money. Most recent news on Algorand organization. A ton of the things in the crypto market rely upon the moving news and opinions of the dealers and financial backers. Thus, watching out for what's going on in the crypto world becomes crucial. Algorand coin has seen a great deal of acknowledgement in the ongoing year. One of the top organizations is among FIFA and Algorand. The Algorand organization will turn into the authority blockchain of FIFA. In this organization, Algorand will help FIFA in fostering the computerized resources technique, while FIFA will give sponsorship resources. El Salvador has likewise cooperated with Algorand to make blockchain framework. Another significant association is among Algorand and Symbol. With this joining, Algorand will have a security cooperate with the BTP coordination. This will assist the Algorand with systems administration be more different and dynamic. In addition to that, the flying organization Air Europa has reported that it will team up with Algorand. Algorand blockchain will be utilized to mint Air Europa's NFTs. TravelX will likewise be important for this coordinated effort and assist with broadcasting Europa span the actual transportation world with the blockchain. This will make Air Europa the very first carrier to utilize blockchain for stock dissemination and the executives. And that is not the end. Algorand has held hands with a great deal of other gigantic establishments, like LimeWire, NJ, NY Gotham FC, HipJump Craftsman DMC, Symbol, and some more. Each of this shows the strength and dependability of the Algorand blockchain, and its reception will help the symbolic cost. Algorand value expectation. 2023 to 2030. The brain research of dealers assumes a significant part in market opinion. Crypto costs are extremely delicate to the group's mentality towards giving a significant value activity to any computerized cash. Consequently, never neglect to do point-by-point research on a crypto forecast prior to putting your cash. The ongoing cost of Algorand waits around 23 cents with a market capitalization of $1,717,242,017 with a coursing supply of $7,199,412,738 ALGO. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change in any case. Sell Algorand at the opposition level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This technique can assist financial backers with making a transient benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost forecast, how about we concentrate on the value history of the token? Toward the finish of 2019, The Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the ALGO cost shot up to 49 cents. Later in 2020, ALGO cost denoted a lofty fall during the walk crash, and afterward, it recaptured its lost energy. The cost again went to 66 cents in the following 5 months. At last, after some highs and lows, the ALGO token contacted the $1 mark. Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.70 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some combination, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The ALGO value attempted to arrive at a similar level again threefold, however fizzled. Before the cost could recapture force, the whole crypto market saw an accident, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upswing. A much of the time noticed characteristic of Algorand projection is that it has shown the most whimsical and fluctuating conduct like other digital currencies. The brain research of clients incredibly drives the crypto market opinions. Remembering this, underneath are the Algorand cost expectations for coming years. Algorand Value Forecast 2023 is per Algorand Forecast 2023. With any progressions in strategies and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of dim days at its cost showing some obstruction. According to our Algorand cost conjecture, the coin could cruise tranquilly around 35 cents with a greatest cost of 50 cents and least cost of 20 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play reliably. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. Assuming Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and basics, the ALGO coin could reflect gigantic development in the forthcoming years. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of 65 cents, which is plus 170.83% to the most recent costs. Sometime or another, however, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach. In view of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 45 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Algorand has previously embraced the POS component and consequently has tremendous development anticipated in the forthcoming years. The future value energy is really splendid for Algorand. In light of our Algorand cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment is normal, and ALGO exchanges green for the period. The cost could come to the 97 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Value Forecast 2026. Having seen a huge DApp reception in the past pushed the cost of Algorand. The organization is very well known, with various tasks based on it. Given the headways are kept up with, the Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a greatest cost of $1.05, which is plus 337.5% of the Algorand cost today. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. With organizations and local area financing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $1.25, which is plus 420% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand conjecture, yet unquestionably plausible instead of expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost expectations, the base cost of the coin might be around 90 cents. Algorand Value Expectation